So here we're going to look at how to solve rational equations, and the steps to follow are right here. We factor all denominators, then we find the LCD, then multiply every term by the LCD. This will get rid of the denominator and solve for the variable in the numerator. Okay, example. So here the LCD is going to be 15. So I'm going to multiply everything by 15. So x minus 1 over 15. And I'm going to multiply that by 15 is equals to 2 over 5. I multiply that by 15. And when I simplify that, see that's gone. And that gives me 3. So I get x minus 1 is equals to, x minus 1 is equals to 6, which means x is equals to 7 if I add 1 both sides. So that's my answer. So we go to the next one, the LCD. So LCD is going to be x plus 4, because that's unique. What else is unique? X is unique, and then 3, so I'll use 3x. So I'm going to multiply everything by LCD. So this is going to be, so 2 over x plus 4, and I'm going to multiply that by, I'm going to multiply it by x plus 4 and 3x. And remember, the goal is to get rid of the denominator, and then minus, this is 1 over x, and then the LCD is 3x, and then x plus 4, and then equal to 2 over 3x. I multiply by LCD, so which is 3x and x plus 4. Let's see what we can cancel out. See, that's here we are left with 6x. See, this is gone, so I'm left with minus, see, this is, I need to distribute the 3, so this is minus 3x minus 12 when I distribute the 3 into the x plus 4. And then, see, this is gone. This is going to be 2x plus 8 when I distribute the 2. So now this becomes 3x minus 12 is equals to 2x plus 8. And what does that mean? So I subtract 2x, so x is equals to, then I add 12 to the other side, so x is equals to 20. Okay, the next example, we again start by finding the LCD, and the LCD is going to be given by, we need to factor here, so this is going to be x minus 4 and x minus 2, actually x plus 4 and x minus 2. And see, this is the same as the other factors, so in the other terms, so the LCD is going to be x plus 4 and x minus 2. So I'm going to multiply everything by the denominator, but here I'm going to take a shortcut here, since you know the essence of multiplying the denominator. So when I multiply with the LCD, the denominator is gone, and let me work it out. So the first one, when I multiply by the LCD, see the denominator is the same as the LCD, so it's going to cancel out. I'm just going to be left with 2x plus 1. And then plus, for the next one, the denominator is x plus 4, so that's going to cancel. So I'll be left with 2 and x minus 2. For the next one, when I multiply with the denominator, the x minus 2 will cancel, so I'll be left with x plus 4. And now I can simplify, so this is 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 4 is equals to x plus 4. Then I simplify, so I have 4x minus 3 is equals to x plus 4. So I subtract x from both sides, so I get 3x. I add 3 to the other side is 7. So the answer is x is equals to 7/3. Okay, we go to the next one. I find the LCD, and the LCD is equals to, I factor this one, and I can see the LCD will be x plus 1, x minus 1. And I'm going to multiply every term by LCD. When I multiply the first one, I'll be left with 3, and x plus 1 is going to cancel, but x minus 1 is going to remain, is equals to, the next one, I'll be left with x plus 1, because x minus 1 is going to cancel out, minus, the last one has the same denominator as the LCD, so just going to be 2. So this is going to be 3x minus 3 is equals to, so this is equals to x plus 1 minus 2, and this is equal to x minus 1. And I'll continue here, so 3x minus 3, let me write them side by side, x minus 1, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides, so I get 2x, and then I add 3 to the other side, so x is equals to, so this is 2x is equals to 2, so that means x is equals to 1. But one thing we should always check, like when I get this 1, I need to check it in the denominator. If I get 1 and I plug it into the denominator, I'll be dividing by 0, 1 over x minus 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is a solution, but it leads to something impossible. So this is an extraneous solution, so we're going to say no solution. So when you are dividing, always make sure the solution you get, you plug it into the denominator and see whether it's a real solution or extraneous. So this one is no solution.